All right, everyone, we are going to look at ACH here. So, Alchemy Pay, not sure where we were on the last update, but from the low to the high to the 786, had one bounce, we lost support, and now it is acting as resistance at 1.7. So, until you get back over 1.7 and then eventually 1.8 here at the 618, there is no momentum up on ACH here. You could say, from this low, you could say we're in some type of a bull flag slash falling wedge here. The way the price action is going with the lower highs and the lower lows here, and the bottom could be put in soon here. So it remains to be seen. If we zoom out to the monthly chart here, or maybe it's the weekly chart, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is the one where we've been pointing out, the support, resistance, resistance, support. So we're at that macro support area. So it's all going to just depend if we get a nice bounce here. If we don't get a bounce at 1.7, I'd say 1.6 needs to be a bounce point, or ACH is going to actually literally go to zero. You can see this thing's going to go down to 1, and then, if it breaks this support here, then there's no telling how low it's going to go. Until it finally finds a bottom before the next bull run. But this could potentially be it here. This 1.6 area, we already took out 1.7. It's acting as resistance, so I would watch 1.6 here. So it looks like, from what the chart is telling us, that you are going to drop into the 7% to 1.6. You may do that really quick and get a nice wick and a nice bounce and then move higher. Like I said, it remains to be seen. Nobody knows how it's going to go. Nobody has a crystal ball. Everybody that does TA videos is just guessing, in my opinion. The only thing we can do is just tell you what the chart tells us here. So stock RSI starting to curl up, money flow starting to curl up, but it's following the price, so it does not really tell us anything. Heikin-Ashi candles are getting smaller on the red here, so it could be holding support here at this 1.7 area. Even though it dips below this Fibonacci level here, it's just a general area. You can see where this wick is back here in July. We're at that same spot here in early August. So as long as you hold 1.7, the bottom may be in for ACH, and you may be getting that bounce to the upside. If not, I would watch 1.6 down here. If you take out 1.6, it's going to get pretty ugly, and there's no telling how far it's going to go down. So just kind of keep an eye on that price. And like I said, if you're going to get any momentum up, you have to get back over this 1.74, this 786 price area, and then your 21-day EMA, of course, and the 618 at 1.8 for about a 7.5% move to get some momentum going to the upside here. But as of now, it's just going down. But like I said, the bottom could be in. You're at macro resistance, macro support. You could be in a falling wedge pattern here, and that could signal that you are going to start going up at some point. So just kind of keep an eye on those prices here. If it comes down further, to 1.6 and even lower, I do think ACH is going to be a good trade in the next bull run here. So if it comes down to these lower price targets, that would be prime buying opportunities, in my opinion, because ACH is a big name. A lot of people know about ACH. It is going to make a giant move in the next bull run. Don't get me wrong here. So yeah, it's going to make a good play. So if it goes down further, just not financial advice, just hold on to what you have and just wait for the next bull run, and you will be pleasantly surprised at how high this thing is going to go. So we'll leave it at that on ACH, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next one. Peace out.